Welcome back, DIYers. Prime Day is upon us, and so we're going to check out some of the best Prime deals, so let's dive in. All right, we're going to get started right here with this DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver. This is a great deal right here, 50% off. So if you want to get started, DeWalt is a great option for you, and DeWalt's a great deal. I have plenty of DeWalt tools. I really like them. They do a great job. I think this is a great option for you. And again, 50% off. You get a drill and then also the impact driver and 2 batteries with a charger as well. So 129 bucks. Hard to beat that deal. Great pickup here for this Prime deal. Next, we'll check out Ring battery doorbell, 50% off as well. I think these are great. Ring is a great deal, a great option for you, again, to protect your house. You can put some of these on the front or the back of your house. They work really well. We have one. Not hard to install, and a great deal right here at $49.99, 50% off. So again, if you need one of those, definitely recommend you check that one out. Next, we have the DeWalt circular saw. This again is also 50% off. And again, DeWalt, great brand. Definitely going to do a good job for you with that. Highly recommend you check that one out as well. Always need a circular saw for a lot of different things. Next, we have the oscillating multi-tool kit. And so again, with DeWalt here, 61% off, so down to $119. Get the whole tool kit, get a couple blades in there and a couple other items, and you get a charger, also a battery. So a great pickup right there as well. Another great one I recommend is the Craftsman Versa Stack. This is a great option right here. 230 piece, also 50% off. So a great option with that one. You can pick this one up and you get a lot of tools with that. So a great thing to keep for yourself or a great gift for someone. Another tool deal we have, we saw this other one. This is the 3-piece toolkit, 45% off. You get all that and a flashlight. Not quite as good as the other one. I think, in my opinion, I would go with the other one first, but this is still a great option if you need the flashlight as well. You have the wet dry vac down to $119, about 40% off. So you can see a lot of people were purchasing this one as well, $2K in the past month. Again, you always need a wet dry vac, shop vac, especially DeWalt's a great option for that. This is the tool only, so you will need to be in the DeWalt platform, but it's still a great pickup. Another one right here is 5-tool combo kit, 38% off. Great pickup with that one. You get 5 tools. You get the saw, multi-tool, drill, impact driver, and the Sawzall. Then you get 2 batteries right there. Again, that's a great thing for that. So, and the charger. So a lot of good tools, a lot of great pack right here to get you started. And again, DeWalt's going to be a good brand for that. Another one is the Metabo. We don't see this a ton. I don't see a lot of people getting these, but again, down to 99 bucks. I see this deal every now and then throughout the year. It's a great time to pick this one up. And 99 bucks is hard to beat. So that's a great thing to grab right there. Another thing right here I just saw is the 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse. Again, from WorkX, I have some of their tools. They do pretty good, but this one's down 31%, so a great thing to go ahead and grab and pick up. O-Light, I know a lot of people really like these. Little flat light right there. You can pick your different colors. Down 20%. It's not the best deal, but again, O-Light, I know a lot of people have them and use them. I use them some. I'll have the Woven, kind of the competitor to that one. They work both pretty well. So if you need one of those, highly recommend you check it out. Black & Decker drill. I actually have one very similar to this right here. So you can see Black & Decker, great little drill. Very similar to that one right there. I mean, 40 bucks, hard to beat that drill. 30-piece bit set and a battery and a charger included. So, I mean, Black & Decker, they're going to do a good job for you, especially 40 bucks. The Jackery, again, I think this is one of the best options for these like portable power stations. They have all different ones. I posted one earlier as well. They were down to 50%. So this one at 41%. So again, great pickup right there. So you can check out those. I will have links for a lot of these items down below as well. So if you're interested in these, you can check those links down there. DeWalt screwdriver bit set, down 41%. Again, something you don't probably not go get, but it's a great thing to pick up, you know, while you're here. Wet dry vac, down 35%, 94 bucks. You got a bunch of attachments, you got a bunch of options for this one. I think it's going to be pretty good and do a good job for you. So good one on that. Craftsman's a solid brand, so they're definitely going to do a good job. Next, We have the Craftsman cordless impact wrench, battery and charger included for $129. So again, little impact wrench here for $130. Great pickup for that one. Dyson, kind of getting into some of these home items right here. We got a Dyson cordless vacuum, $229, 36% off of this one. So Dyson does a great job, and you get saved almost 40% on the vacuum. So solid deal with that one. Then we have the Blue Eddy. I'm not sure how you say this one, but that's a pretty cool little generator. This has solar capability if you want that, but down 60%. So if you need one of these, always great to have one. You never know when you're going to need it, so it's great to have one of those. Next, you have the portable power station right here. Again, another option from EcoFlow. They're a great brand, 30% off. Great option for that one right there, right around $500. Just want to throw this one in there. Yeti, anytime you can get a little bit off Yeti, it's a great thing. So you get this one down to 25% off, $243. So again, Yeti's a cool brand. Great thing to get some little percent off of that. Anchor is another option for the portable power stations, down to $209. So definitely something you can pick up and save you a little bit of money. Intex, wanted to show you guys this one, the above ground swimming pool. I know I have some videos on my channel about it. We love our swimming pool, and this is a great one right here. 40% off, down to $117. 30 foot. This is the 10 foot, 30 inch. So it's a little bit smaller than the one we have, but you can even see the different sizes there as well. So if you want those, you can check those out. I've never tried one of these robot lawnmowers. I got one hopefully coming. I'm going to try it out and put it on the channel. But we have a robot lawnmower right here, down 23%, right under $1,000. So you can check that one out. The Segway option right there. The next one is down 40%. This is again the EcoVax robot lawnmower, 11 or right under $1,200. So again, Prime Day deal. So you can check that one out. Next, we have the Alpha Grillers meat thermometer. I have multiple meat thermometers. I really like them. They work really well. I've never tried this one, but it's down 50%, $10. Great thing to have a meat thermometer for $10 with that. Next, we have the Greenworks lawn care combo kit, $120. So definitely, I actually saw a friend purchasing this today, and again, a great pickup right here. You get the blower and the weed eater. Pretty good deal right there for $120, 37% off. So a great thing to pick up. If you have a pool, you know, you got to buy chlorine anyway. So got some chlorine on sale, 16% off. Not a great deal, but you're going to buy this anyway, so might as well go ahead and save you that money. Flame King, I have a video on the smaller one, but this one right here is the propane heavy duty weed burner. So again, this is the large one. I think this is really cool, but down 15%. So I think that's a great thing to purchase. And then we also see the Ybot robot vacuum for in-ground pools. I did a review on this one last year, down 30% to $419. I think it's a great thing to pick up right now. So a lot of great deals going on right now at on the Prime Day sales. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, if any of these were helpful, again, you can check my links down below. I get a small percentage if you do purchase them from that link. But hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.